Now, should you hire a session musician and there's a place and a time for that? Definitely. Okay, 100%. I've done that. I've hired a cellist in the past. I've hired a sax player in the past to add some sprinkle and some flavor to a song. I've hired singers that, female singers, even male singers with a country type of thing, or with another guy I hired was a heavy metal type of vocal, that I don't do because I sing as well. So, songs that I do for people, I usually do the vocal, but sometimes it's not practical. Sometimes a project requires a different kind of a voice in order to do a demo and demonstrate the song in the best light possible. Okay, so there's definitely a place for session musicians in your projects, 100%. And the best place, in my opinion, that I've used to go to is airgigs.com. I've mentioned this before. It's an amazing website, not just for session musicians, but also for producers, mixers, engineers, mastering. Go down the list. Okay, all things music related. You can find someone and hire them to work on your project, and different levels of expertise. So you can get like from the real pros to, even beginners that are really good, but they haven't established themselves yet. And they can really be good bang for buck. You can really get your money's worth when you go with people that are just starting off. Doesn't mean they don't have talent. Doesn't mean they can't contribute in a big way. It just means they haven't established themselves yet in the industry. So yeah, that's something to look out for.